Hello everyone, myself Papita Shri, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about array types. So before going to the type of array, we need to know about array. So what is an array? So array is a collection of similar data type. Okay, it is a contiguous memory allocation. It can store the memory allocation by using their data types. Okay, for example, we need to declare an array with their size. Okay, so this, for example, the indexes is 0 1 2 3. The size of the array is what? The size of the array is 4. Okay, so for example, we will take the array name as a, means we need to store the array values inside the box, declaration box. Okay, so here for example, the a of 0 equal to what? So if we declare, if we store a value, means for example a of 1 is equal to 2, a of 2 is equal to 3, a of 3 equal to 4. So the a of 2 value is 3. So that is said to be as an array, and the memories has been stored inside the allocated space. Okay, so after that we need to know about types of an array. First one is single dimensional array, that is said to be as an one dimensional array, and the second one is multi-dimensional array. Okay, single dimensional array means one dimensional array. So the collection of data items, so the data items which has been collected and it has been stored in a separate way, right? So the data has been collected and stored under one variable name, which is used only one subscript, and this variable is said to be as an one dimensional array. Okay, so the collection of data items can be stored under a one variable using only one subscript. Such a variable is said to be as a one dimensional array. So here is the example for one dimensional array. The syntax is data type, I mean what kind of data, whether it is an integer or float or number, that will be mentioned here, and the name of an array and the size of an array. Here the size has been, as I said earlier, for example, we will take the indices as 0 1 2 3. We need to take the indices as 0 1 2 3 to represent the size of an array. Okay, here a of 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here int num of 5 means array name is number and size is 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So the total size is 5, that will be mentioned here. Next one dimensional array initialization. How we can initialize the one dimensional array? Okay, after an array is declared, so once the array has been declared with their elements, so these elements has been initialized, must be initialized. Okay, once an array is declared with its elements, means those elements must be initialized. Okay, otherwise it will contain an garbage value. Okay, so the array can be initialized by two stages. So one is at the time of compilation and second one is at runtime. Okay, the first one is compile time initialization. Okay, so here while doing compilation, the data type of an array has been initialized. Okay, so here the syntax of an compile time is data type array name of size equal to list of values. Okay, for example, data type is integer, the name of an array is a, and the size of an array is 5. Okay, and the values for 5, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So we need to give 5 values inside the declaration of an elements. Okay, next one, another example is we will take the float data type and the array size is 5 and we will enter the values. Okay, next is character and we will give the character names. Next, at runtime initialization. So in runtime initialization we will give the arrays can be explicitly initialized at the time of running a program. Okay, so it has been applied usually for larger arrays. Okay, here the example for runtime initialization is we are using, for as I said in the previous video, for array we will be using for loop. Okay, for I equal to 0 we will get I greater than 100. Okay, so if I greater than 50 means the values has been displayed here, else the values has been explicitly initialized at the runtime. Okay, so here there are two stages of initialization has been happened. One is compile time and another one is runtime. So for compile time we can directly initialize a value by using data type and their array names and their size. Here for runtime initialization, what exactly is happening is, so it is initialized explicitly and it has been usually applied at the larger arrays. Okay, thank you.